This is how you upload a video to YouTube and share it as unlisted. So at the top right of your screen, you should have a create button. When you click that, you should be able to choose upload video. You'll have to be logged into YouTube to do this. And then you find your file. I'm going to just drag it over. All right, cool. Then you get to this screen. You can give it a name. You can always go back and change this to a description if you want. You don't have to. And then you don't have to choose a playlist. All this is sort of optional. You want it to be no, it's not made for kids. This is specifically for like kid content. And then you click on the next button. And you don't need any of these. Next again. Checking to make sure there's no whatchamacallit. We'll check your video. Restrict visibility. Okay, anyway, click next. And then here's the visibility. So you want to choose unlisted if you don't want it to be listed under your videos for anyone to see. This will make it publicly available, but you have to have the link to see it. And then once you choose that, then you hit save, and it'll take probably a while to upload it. So just leave this window open, and then you can copy the link. And this is the link that you can share your video with. Alrighty, thanks. Oh yeah, I think you can actually just close. It's fine. You can close this. Okay, goodbye for real.